day. Such a lucky day to be here. Just this close. Huh. Even if I like the snake from Lunar New Year, I also gotta also love this. Man, imagine if they put something fictional there for the future years. And putting OCs, maybe if they put OCs instead, that would be very intense. That might be one of the most intense things you see so far, but they also have the ceiling lights to be green to enhance the theming. This is water magic. Yeah, it's better than nothing if we don't go there at night.
I might shop.
Well, no.
So this is all built. This is all. So this is this came from the county shed that's here.
Yeah.
But this was all